Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? This is Will from Say How Y'all Feeling. I'm back again for another sublimation video. This is something quick, kind of impromptu, last minute type of deal. I'm actually doing, if you see this great shirt, some shirts for one of my sisters. They had they're doing a sale. They're doing a live event. And they asked me to print up some shirts. So one of the designs I'm doing is this one. I've actually done the design already on one of the other shirts, but I figured I'd do it live. Well, I'll do it on video so you guys can see it. I'm going to do a few of the shirts. This is also something you can do with your heat press. Just a side note for those who's trying to decide if they want to get into business. You don't always have to print your own things. You can definitely print for other people that print. She has a press and all of that, but she just did not have the time. So she subcontracted out for me to print, and I'm going to go ahead and knock them out. This is actually a sublimation print, and I'm going to sublimate on here. And she gave me the print, she gave me the shirts. I'm just pressing it all together, which is something I do quite often in my business, in my business model. So, if you want to see how this comes out, stay tuned. Okay, so one thing I forgot to do, I'm back, but one thing I forgot to do is give a shout out to the squad. We're going to give a shout out to, let's see, who we're going to start over? Your Dig. Yes, we're going to give a shout out to Your Dig. We're going to give a shout out to, let's see, All Things Style. We're going to give a shout out to All Things Style. Go follow them. We're going to give a shout out to 12 Gone Apparel. Of course, you know what I'm saying? And then we're definitely going to give my man Mike T's. When it's all said and done, we're going to give a shout out to Southern Zone Graphics. My man Junior over there doing his thing real big. Let's make sure we support, follow, subscribe. All of these people, they're doing it way big. They're going in. They're making it happen. And with that being said, let's get into this video. Let's get this done. We already know this particular press acts stupid. Sometimes it want to act like it got some sense. Sometimes it don't. So we're going to set the timer up. Right, we're gonna go ahead and put everything in it. Now, she gave me some paper, and I'm sorry for the mess that's in here. She told her I didn't feel like I didn't know about this till last minute, so I wasn't really gonna clean up right this second. I had some other stuff I needed to be doing anyway, but I'm not gonna be able to do it till later on. I don't know if I'm gonna go drive or not. I have not decided what I'm going to do yet. But what I am going to do is knock this out. So I use these sheets again. She gave me a roll. I just don't feel like opening it, nor do I feel like cutting it into strips or sheets. So I'm just going to place this in here. Place this in here. Alright, let's see. Then I do this. And this is a so I pre-press, of course. Drop my lint roller. I wonder where that dropped. I knew I dropped something. I didn't know where that dropped. So, of course, you got to lint roll it. You can see it's sticky. It's pulling up. Whatever it's going to pull up, it's going to pull it up now. Alright. Now, this is 100% polyester shirt. It's gray. And remember I said you can sublimate on a colored shirt. You just have to go darker than what the shirt is. As you can see, this design is much darker. On the timer, I'm doing it for 60 seconds. You know what I mean? This is going to be a 60-second press. Again, you can't. This is also the cotton. This particular shirt, I mean, not cotton, I'm sorry. The polyester Cricut shirts. I actually kind of like how it came out on one of the other shirts. I'll be totally honest with you. I did not think that it would come out as good as it did, but it really came out great. But again, these shirts don't fit well for everybody. Let's be honest. You know, they 3X fit kind of snug, and it's not a relaxed fit, so it ain't for everybody. You know, so I'm gonna be honest with you. We're not gonna act like, oh, hey man, that's the way to go. No, it ain't. You got a big boy like myself, you're gonna be really upset. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have him ready to fight you, so don't do it to yourself. You know what I mean? Definitely make sure that you are on point for your, it is working right for you. You know what I mean? So there we go. This is how the shirt came out. As you can see, came out really, really good. I think I'm happy with the way it looks. Yeah, it did its thing. I will say that it really did its thing. So, for all of you, keep saying how you feel. Let's make it happen. 2020, 2021. Squad out.